We got chicken nuggets. Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and my husband has been wanting to get some chickens for quite some time now. So today we went to the feed store to price out an electric fence, and while we were there, we noticed that the feed store had gotten their chicks in for the spring. So we picked up 5 little babies today. Let's go check them out. These chicks are Cornish cross. They are a standard meat breed used in commercial farms and will be full grown in 6 to 8 weeks. Hey guys, here you go. This is our baby bird tote. We put straw and wood shavings in the bottom as bedding, and then give them food and water dish. The water has to be changed regularly, especially when they're this age, because they tend to make a mess in it, and the food also has to be crushed up small enough for them to actually eat it, since the actual pellets we normally buy are too big, and getting a huge bag of starter feed when we just have 5 chicks doesn't really make sense. So these guys are actually looking kind of cold, because I've put in a different light than their actual heat lamp for filming. So I'll go give them their lamp back and let them have warmth again. The top of the tote is rabbit wire, so it's not going to catch on fire from putting the lamp directly on it, and then the lamp is just a regular heat bulb. Chick baby food is done. These chicks won't be the last baby birds we get on the homestead this spring. We'll keep you updated as the chicken nuggets grow up. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.